Like, whoa, slow down, this is my first time.
Don't wake up, don't wake up, don't wake up too fast. Don't make up your mind.
Hey, Puerto Rico, Puerto Rico, I took a trip. As you can see, so refreshed. Needed a vacation because I've been stressed. This is going to be a video about my trip to Puerto Rico. I'm gonna put pictures, videos, pretty much just things that you need to know before you go. If you guys want to see what happened on my trip to Puerto Rico, then stay tuned. So my friend, or my son's aunt, she hit me up and was like,
"You want to go to Puerto Rico with me?"
Puerto Rico? Yes, I would love to go to Puerto Rico with you. I've never been before. Sounds like a plan. There were some things that I didn't know. I did know that Puerto Rico is a part of the U.S. Traveling is part of the U.S. You do not need a passport. Under 2, fly free. If you're flying with a baby, you get to get your car seat and your stroller checked for free. Do have guidelines, which I think most states do have specific guidelines if you're gonna be traveling, via flight. Yes, you need a negative COVID test, and it has to be done within 72 hours of the actual flight. They do not accept rapid tests. So I'm gonna be that person. I'm gonna give you the website just in case you are trying to make this travel. The website is going to be somewhere along here. So we took a flight. We got to the hotel. I hate to be a negative Nancy. However, check-in's 9 until 4. We did pop up. It was about 3 something. It was like a mid 3, probably about 3:30 or so, about the time we got from the airport after dealing with all the shenanigans. We waited, we were like, oh, we'll wait in the lobby. They said check-in was like 4:30, whatever. We'll wait. I go up to the counter. Is our hotel ready yet? No. I go back up to the counter again. Is our hotel ready yet? No. We ended up paying cash for our hotel because we didn't have time to drop the money off at the ATM. So we just went ahead and paid cash. Now, our total was supposed to be, drum roll, $10.59 or $69. $10.59.69. Yes, you heard it. $10.59 or $69 for a whole week there. They included breakfast. They had a pool. They had bars and stuff there, but you still have to pay for your drinks. We get to the counter. The lady, this is how I know she had some stuff like this pop off before, and she knew it was about to be on because she wrote the number down when it was time to get ready to pay our money. So I'm like, shit, here it comes. It's gonna be $12.69. $12.69? I called y'all at 2 o'clock this morning before we even flew anywhere. And I asked, was there any additional charges? What they say, oh no, there's not any additional charges. Everything's included, blah, 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 blah. Apparently, somebody neglected to tell me that it was gonna be an additional $200 for incidental charges. Do y'all know that after paying them cash, we waited for our hotel room for 2.5 hours before it was ready. I got the baby, no stroller, don't know where it's at, couldn't find nobody to help us at the airport. So we said, forget it, we'll just figure it out later so we can get on to our vacation. I'm asking the manager, I'm like, so what's going on? How much longer is it gonna be? At this point, I'm ready to walk out. Give us your money back. We'll go somewhere else who is ready. So they're like, they gotta sanitize the room. But y'all said check-in was at 4:30. Y'all check out is at 12. So how are we waiting? And you guys have had like a whole 4.5 hours to get the room together. We finally got into our hotel room. Gorgeous. We went to the beach. It was so pretty, so relaxing. Just even hearing the beach waves. I mean, the baby was even knocked out. These pictures don't even do it justice. There's nothing like being there. If you ever get the opportunity to go, just go. Food, they had this one thing called a mofongo. It was so good. It's like a mix between plantains and y'all. I know what y'all thinking. Oh, sweet patty with what? What is it called? Mofongo. Our first few moments there, this Uber driver who took us to the beach, we didn't know was that close to the hotel in the first place. He told us, he was like, yeah, you guys have to try mofongo and this beach is closer. You guys should go here. It was really sweet. He was really nice. And to be honest, I think that was probably our best Uber there. They actually had a restaurant inside the hotel that made mofongo. So we ended up ordering it because, mind you, I forgot to tell y'all, the hotel manager ended up giving us coupons for like $50 worth of food, and they gave us a drink coupon. I don't know why they gave us one instead of two. My friend, she got chicken mofongo. Oh my gosh. It was damn near like potato latkes, like a big, like round, like potato cake. That's what it tastes like. A potato cake with the meat on top. It was so good. I was shocked because it said it had plantains in it. I was definitely expecting it to be sweet, but it wasn't. It was like potatoes. Perfectly seasoned potatoes. So another place that we ended up going to while we were there is called, if I'm pronouncing this wrong, I'm sorry. It's like Kioli. That was one of the last places that we ended up going while we were out. It was so good. They gave us complimentary shots of margarita. Y'all, they're trying to set me up for failure. Now, you know I can't be out here turning up, and I brought the baby with me. Why you gonna give me these shots? I'll take a whole drink now, thanks. I ordered beans and rice for my son. Y'all, I should have kept that for myself. It was good. I even had his auntie try it. It was the bomb. I got these tacos. They were fish tacos, but they had like some type of crab meat on top of it, and it had like some type of spicy topping or something on there. Oh my gosh. I feel like they have them here, but I don't care what you say. They're more authentic there. I don't want it from nowhere else. But you know what? I am going to say this. They do have similar to the same item on a guava and rye menu. They're like those one tacos. You can get them in like a set of like 2 or 3. And then they have like the sauce that you dip it into. But that sauce is damn near like the juices is what it tastes like that it was cooked in. It was good. But she got like, I want to say it was like a beef and cheddar one or something like that. And then the one at agave and rye, I think I had before, was like chicken and cheese. But we went to Mr. Weenie's Waffles. It's exactly how it sounds. And I post pictures and stuff throughout the video so you guys can see it there too. But yeah, they had waffles on a stick. I'm gonna keep it clean. I'm gonna keep it PG. It was a Winky and it was shaped like a waffle. You can get it infused with strawberries, blueberries, whatever it is. They even got an Instagram page, y'all. Y'all can go in there and see what I'm talking about. When I tell you the pictures look exactly how, you know how places be doctoring some stuff up? Like, put a little makeup on the top of that burger. They did not make up, like they ain't put no makeup or nothing fake about their supply at all. Exactly what you seen there in the picture is exactly what you got. I got the Mrs. Flower. And that one had kiwi, I want to say blueberry, strawberry, and then like some type of like ice and drizzle, like some type of like white chocolate or something like that on there. And my son's aunt, She got the actual weenie on a stick, and it had like the strawberry drizzle, and then like they went as far as even having the veins. Like, I know this is sick. I said I was gonna keep it PG, but I mean, if you know, then you know. If not, I'm sorry. Because we were traveling, I didn't want to walk around look like I was eating yeah. So I waited. Well, we both waited until we got back to the hotel because, you know, people be having their kids out, and I don't know how everybody feel about that, but just know it's there, and I did have a tiny bit of respect. I just waited to eat mine. So besides that, that was funny to go to. But it was nice. Like, it was beautiful outside. We had our little drinks going. The baby was chilling. Like, oh yeah, this is a nice little vacation. And I think he just knew that we were out of our element, so he was like, oh, I'm not gonna cut up too bad on this trip. I know this is supposed to be my mommy's vacation. Yes, sir, it is supposed to be my vacation, but whatever. The most expensive Uber anyway that we probably took was literally from the airport out to San Juan. And that's because they found my stroller 3 days later. They found the stroller at least. I think I'm about to file a complaint, as a matter of fact.
Yet, I'm gonna write a letter.
We paid money to get to the airport to go pick up the stroller that y'all lost, and y'all didn't like try to send for it, have it dropped off at the hotel or nothing. I'm just sitting here thinking to myself, why am I like not complaining about this? It's because I'm a good person. That's what it really is. You dress how you want to dress, but it was the way they were acting. That's what I couldn't get with. Y'all came all the way out here to be ignorant. Y'all came all the way out here to have that same energy, that negative energy. Looking at people, mugging them, staring them up and down, feeling some type of way because you feel some type of way about yourself. Like, I can't even put a race on it. There was not a specific race who was doing it. You could tell who the tourists were of the city. The whole entire trip. You could tell who it was. But you know what? It was in places that we had at home. So, CVS, pharmacy, Burger King, Church's Chicken. Like, I don't know, maybe they brought it out of them. I don't know. This is just for everybody. You go out of town, act like you got some sense. Act like you done been somewhere before. If this ain't nothing but your first trip, you don't have to be loud and obnoxious trying to get attention from everybody. We see you, they see you. You seen. Leave all that bull, leave that at home. I like to try to consider the people that actually live there, like the natives that actually live there. You got to think, if this is a large tourist area, they're getting hundreds of thousands of people by like coming through there throughout the day, the week. Don't ruin it for somebody because you are on vacation and you just want to act crazy. People are actually living there. Like, this is their everyday life. Don't come there and be obnoxious. That's my take on that. So we were inside this one restaurant called The Bistro. And it was a nice restaurant. I liked the way it was decorated. It was sweet. I don't know the whole scenario, so I can't tell whether that lady really needed to show her ass or not. Oh, but you better believe she showed it. She was like, it's not the waiter's fault. It's y'all fault. It's y'all fault. Y'all need to come through and fix it. Oh, I'm like, we own some of that. I'm like, oh, this is giving me back at home vibes. Plus, nothing there was boring. Just know that. Nothing was boring. So I really did have a good time. I hope that my son's aunt really did enjoy herself too, especially seeing that it was her idea to go in the first place. And y'all know that I can't sit down for 2 seconds, so it was right up my alley to jump on a bandwagon. So you might want to do a little bit of research before you actually go. But yes, I enjoyed you guys. This is my first time back in quite some time, so I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep seeing more videos from me, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.